Hello, and we're continuing with Math 104 Gateway questions. This is number 60 out of the problem sets 59 to 63, and these are all equations with logarithm in them. This problem is solve for x if the equation is natural log of x plus 3 minus natural log of x is equal to 1. So the first step is always use the log rules to combine the logs on one side and on both sides. In this case, what I have is a number on the other side, which I don't mind because when I'm doing the inverse function, it's going to work out. I just have to make sure that to combine the left-hand side. And combining left-hand side takes the second rule of the set of the log rules. And so because it's the difference of logs, and I get a log of the quotient. Difference of logs, log 1 minus log 2 is going to be the log of the quotients. And so I get ln of x plus 3 divided by x instead of the left-hand side. Rewriting it again, so it would be ln of natural log of x plus 3 divided by x is equal to 1. Now, base to power, because I want to use the inverse function to get rid of the ln in here. And so the inverse function is, this is the base of natural log is e, so it's going to be e to the power. And so we end up with x plus 3 divided by x is equal to e. Here, remind yourself, e is the Euler's number, and it's just a number, and treat it like a number. It's not any of the variables. To solve this type of equations, we want to get rid of the denominator, so I multiply both sides by the common denominator here. X is the common denominator. And so the first side becomes x plus 3, the other side becomes e times x. Now, how many terms do I have? This term, this term, this term. And to solve this, I want to take isolate x and then solve for x. How do I isolate x? I subtract x from both sides to get 3 is equal to ex minus x. Factor x out to combine the like terms. X times e minus 1. Now the last step is to divide to solve for x. And what do I divide? Divide by what multiplies x. And now I get x is equal to, I get x is equal to 3 over e minus 1. So the next question with this set of questions is always to check to see if we have this is going to be within the domain or not. Looking back in the original, one little trick is going to save you. Remembering that e is 2.7 ... Therefore, the denominator is going to be a positive number. Numerator is a positive number. If I plug this back in here, what do I get? I get natural log of a positive number plus 3 minus natural log of a positive number equal to 1. So we did not violate any domain issues. We didn't put any negative number by plugging in x equal to 3 over e minus 1. And we didn't put in any negative number inside ln as an input of ln, natural log. Therefore, we're all safe. And so this is the solution. And you can enter that in your